In this video I'm going to go over the installation and setup of the skimmer motion. Here are the parts for the skimmer motion to come in the box. You have the hose, you have the skimmer motion itself, you have the basket, you also have this ring here. I'll show you this later if you have large debris to keep it from clogging up the skimmer motion. I'm going to go ahead and turn the pool off and pull the automatic cleaner out. So the installation of the skimmer motion is really simple. You take your automatic cleaner like this. You take this end of the hose here, it's the larger end, slide right over the top of the cleaner, press down firmly. Now you just take the lead hose of your automatic cleaner and place it over the skimmer motion adapter. If you have a Hayward Navigator or a Pentair Great White, they've redesigned the skimmer motion attachment that'll fit these lead hoses no problem on both of those cleaners. The only exception is if you have an MX8 or MX6 or a Zodiac cleaner with the locking type hoses. So if it's Zodiac MX8, MX6, or any of the Zodiac cleaners with the locking type hoses, you're going to need a special adapter. Here's the adapter you're going to need to use the skimmer motion with the Zodiac locking type hoses. So here's how the cleaner should look. You have the skimmer motion hose onto the top of the cleaner. You have the cleaner hose right here on top of the skimmer motion hose. Okay, now we're going to put the cleaner back in the pool. Okay, then we want to feed the skimmer motion hose down and get all the air out. Okay, next you want to take the skimmer motion. You'll see the bottom here. You want to attach the hose to it. Push it on firmly. Okay, you'll see a little pin here, a little orange pin. On the bottom of the basket there's 3 holes. Since the skimmer motion is sharing the suction with the pool cleaner, in order to set it up properly, you want to look inside here. You'll see these marked in here, 3, 2, and 1. You want to start it at 3, position 3. Go ahead and start your pool up and it will adjust the cleaner. Once the cleaner is adjusted and it's getting the proper suction, you want to move the dial over to the middle one, which is 2. That'll give you the maximum suction without it sucking air. You can leave it at dial 1 also. In some cases you may suck some air, set at that position. If you find your pool has a lot of large debris, you can actually put this included ring here. This came with the skimmer motion. Put this little O-ring here like this. That'll stop large debris from entering and clogging up the hole. It's a good idea to take some time to straighten out the skimmer motion hose. It comes curled in the box when shipped. This particular cleaner is the pool cleaner. We'll check the speed with the RPMs of the wheels. Let me turn the pool on. I'm going to go ahead and test the suction. I'm going to go ahead and increase the suction slightly. So if you have your cleaner hooked up to your skimmer, you'll have a suction adapter. Go ahead and just adjust the suction there. The Zodiac ones will self-adjust in most cases. And you can use the flow gauge that came with your cleaner to readjust the suction with the skimmer motion attached. That's a quick look at the proper installation of the skimmer motion.